Flight logs and drone maintenance. Just like other professional activities such as commercial diving or flying an airplane, you will need to keep a log of your flights and drone maintenance. If you are ever questioned by the Coast Guard or a police officer, they may ask to see your flight and maintenance logs along with your certification. There are benefits to keeping logs as well. Flight logs will allow you to determine when surveys were conducted and under what conditions. This will help you to effectively schedule surveys in following years. Flight logs consist of the date, time, and location of your survey, along with weather conditions, drone settings, and other notes that may be helpful when planning your next survey. Aircraft maintenance is important to keep the drone running smoothly. When you return from the field, you should charge your drone batteries, download and back up photos and videos, and then format your SD card. Check the aircraft for any damage to the propellers and the gimbal camera system. If any of the propellers are scuffed or damaged, switch them out for new propellers. If the camera or gimbal is damaged, you will need to send the drone to a professional technician for repair. Make sure you check that the software is up to date for the drone, controller, app, and safe flight database before you take it out on its next mission. It's never fun to show up to your project site only to find out a software glitch prevents you from flying. Finally, make sure you fly the drone for fun every opportunity you have. The more comfortable you are with the drone and the controls, the better the results will be from your drone projects. Experience will also significantly improve your chances of safely recovering the drone if and when something goes wrong during flight.